Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your plant's health and how to record its growing by the help of the PictureThis application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and now you should tap on the My Plants icon down below, which is the fourth option. Here at the My Garden section, you will be able to see all of your plants that you have added to this section. So click on it. Click on the one that you would like to take notes of. Click on the Notes option. And as you can see, there is the picture that you have added of your plant. And if you want to add information about itself and take notes of it, so create a so-called diary of your plant, tap into this box, and then you can record your plant's progress. So type in anything that you want to, and you can keep track of its growing by taking pictures, adding images. So feel free to take as many pictures as you want to, and then you will be able to create a plant diary of all of your flowers and plants. Here you can read about its care. You can set set reminders. There's a watering calculator that you can start completing to determine how much water your plant needs. Here you can read about its conditions, requirement, care guide, and so on. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.